Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a tour or a mini tour of some of the fruits, tropical fruits that my parents have in their garden, and it takes a while to grow these type of fruits. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 years before you actually get to have a fruit, and sometimes they don't exactly go the way you planned depending on conditions, if it's sunny enough. So I'll show you around to the garden. Let's go. Here are the Goyava trees. This is a tropical fruit. So this is how they start. They start this dark color, and then they change to this yellow color. And then look at all these. Now they're ready, they're red. They're full of berries. Look at that. Look how many. I really like eating fruit right off the tree because there's no pesticides here. And let me get this one here. It's pretty red. It's pretty delicious. Let me try a yellow one. See if it's bitter. I'm gonna try a yellow one and see. I guess it's not ready. Let me try. Tastes good too. It's not as sweet. Right. Now I'm right beside the pomegranate tree. See? And I've been patiently waiting for these things to get more red, but I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's gonna get any redder. You have to wait for a lot of sunlight, so because it's almost winter, and I'm in shorts. Look. It gets kind of cold at night, you need a little jacket. But if you're in the sun, it's really hot. It's just that if you're not in the sun, sometimes you need a sweater. So I'm looking at all the different pomegranates, and I think this one here's the biggest one. So I'm patient, but I'm not that patient, so I'm gonna just try one. I think I need a knife or something. Aha, I got a knife because the stem's really thick. So I cut this off, and I'm gonna, ooh, it's a really thick stem. I'm gonna cut it off, and I'm just gonna eat it off the tree because there's no pesticides. And if it's just dirt on it, it's fine. Oh, I thought it'd be easier. Okay, here we go. Now, okay, let's take the dirt off. Now let's see. It looks juicy. The juice is coming out already. Oh my god, it's like dripping, like. See that dripping? You just pry it open. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Let me try some. So it's not like really that red on the outside, but inside, look at that color. Let me try some of this. Mmm. This is absolutely delicious. Mmm. It's really good. No bugs in it. This is such a hard skin. Yummy. Here we have a series of trees. These ones are specifically a berry called beginha. So you see all that red there? Here's all the beginha. Wow. Look how many berries are on there. They have a little bit of a bitter taste, but the more sun that they get, the redder they get. And they have little spots on them. They're so ripe, they're just falling off the tree. Look at that. Ooh, a little bug. This is organic, so you have to expect there's going to be bugs in organic food. This large tree plant is sugarcane. So if you take it apart and suck on it, it tastes sweet. Or you could grind it up. It's taller than, I think it's 6 feet tall. Yeah, it's probably 6 feet tall. It's way taller than me. So here we have passion fruit, and this plant's only 3 months old. This is the flower, that's how it starts. And then turns into that. Passion fruit. Maracuja. Oh, look at those ones hanging over there. See that? Look. Ooh. So now we are at the avocado tree. So let's see if there's any. Oh, there's one. Let's see if there's any right there. I have one there. I don't know. Is that ready? I don't know. I think there might be a bigger one. Let's see. What about, which one's bigger? This one or what about this one here? What about this one? I don't know, I think the other one. I think this one's bigger. There we are. Let's check it out and see. Okay. I think I'm gonna see if this one is ready. I'm gonna do a twist. Maybe I won't have to use a knife for this one. Let's see. Ah, okay, here we are. There's an ant on it. Okay, there we are. Here we are. Okay, let's open it and see if it is ready. Let me show you the banana trees. Come check it out. Okay, so there's a huge row of banana trees here. Look at that. There they are. The bananas. You see that? They're really green right now, but if you cut them off and you wait a bit, they turn yellow. These are a row of baby banana trees. And there's the ocean across the street. So let's see, is it ready? Let's check it out. It's pretty hard to cut this. Oh, I cut through the seed. That's why it was so hard. I don't know if that's ready. I don't think so. I think it's not ready. I gotta get a second opinion on this, but I don't know, maybe leave it a little bit longer.